Good day my Stitchy family and welcome to my channel Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm doing a marvelous unboxing for VIP cross stitch. That is www.vipcrossstitch.com. Now today's a very special unboxing. It's the newest 9 count from Mona Lisa. So you guys must stay for this. It's amazing quality. Now I want to tell you a little bit about VIP Cross Stitch before we start. They're an amazing shop. They specialize in cross stitch only. So everything cross stitch your heart desire, you will find at VIP Cross Stitch. They do the beaded cross stitch, the newest 9 count cross stitch. They do some counted, some stamped. They do all the crafts of cross stitch and all the tools and accessories you can dream of. They even do customs. Please go and have a look. Now if you want to save a little bit more at VIP Cross Stitch, you just type in Rella 10 for extra 10% off. Also, if you order for over $55, you get free shipping. Now there is a special, guys, so please listen up. They've got a sale still running, so your whole cart you can get 15% off with the code VCS15. Yes, you heard me right. And that's not even all. If you spend over $39, you get a free blind box. But you must remember now, you don't have to mention it anymore. It changed. You have to add that free blind box to your cart. So don't forget that, please. You saw on the screen. And yes, it's amazing. Go and have a look. They've got new stuff and it's fabulous. Alrighty then, now we've all said and done. Let's have a look at what we've got here. Now you're looking at that and it is fabulous, right? It's the ocean. You guys know I love the ocean. And of course, if it's the ocean, I'm going to show you. Oh my word, look at this colors. Oh. Okay, so it is amazing. I'm just looking for some paper there. All right, so let's start with this. 9 count. Please, my Stitchy family, remember 9 count. You stitch with 4 threads. Number 22 needle, 4 threads. All right, so the pattern you get, it's pretty plain. It's there. It's easy. But you're not going to need it. This is for in case you have an accident. There you go. I think it's excellent. My opinion about it, and I love it. So it is, let me see. Just hold on. There's something I'm missing. Okay, I'm going to tell you now that. It's got 25 colors, and this will make it. If you stitch something brand like Mona Lisa, even Joy Sunday, they've got some stitches with a little bit of colors. But they've got block stitching, and what you stitch clearly shows. They choose things with not a lot of detail. So let's just see. We're going to see now. Now this one is 9 count, 68 by 95 centimeters. There you go. Look at that. I think it's fabulous. It's beautiful. But let's have a look at the pattern. That's not what I mean. You know that. Let's have a look at the Ada. The Ada is print. Oh, it's big. A nice strong Ada. Oh wow. All right. So there's a side of the Ada. So they don't have to search this side. You can't fray this. Now on all the parts that's not the end of the material, it is serged for our convenience. You guys know that. Then we don't have to do that. This is amazing. The printing is clear, super easy, great on the eyes. There is the brand. You can always use Google Translate. The product number is on there. And then, let me just see here. Your symbols are all here on your Ada. I just want to see if it's the same. It's exactly the same. So the symbols are also on your pattern, so you don't have to struggle. There's a few tips and tricks on the side, and it's great. It is great. You can see where the water foams. It's the little red. Just want to see ya. Yes, it is. Red and the pink. So it gives that water splashing foamy effect. So this is going to come out nice. I really love it. Look at this. Look how beautiful it is. Amazing, right? You guys asked for 9 count. You got 9 count and it's fabulous. I think the print is great. I think the product is great. I absolutely love it. So let me show you. Printing is big, clear, and remember it's 9 count. So very, very easy. Okay, so let me try and make a plan here so we can watch the different things. I almost forgot, it came in a reusable little plastic envelope. You can reuse it. And then your little toolkit. Your toolkit's got a little snipper in it. And how many needles? I must put my glasses on. I'm half blind here. Do we have needles in the canvas? Just want to see. No. Okay, so we've got 5 needles. And they're numbered 22. 5 needles, needle threader, and a little snipper. Because I'm used to the good toolkits. There they are. And that is just fabulous. Now, let's have a look at all these beautiful colors. I personally love this color card. I love them. They're not tied up, they're loose, so you can just pull it. Just make sure you hold it. So this is fabulous. Where there's extra from a color, they made 2 rows next to each other. Let me show you what's this. Okay, that one came out. And let's have a look here. What's that? Oh, it had plastic on. Let's just grab all that off. Okay. Ooh, this is beautiful. Look at this oranges. And oh, it's beautiful. Alright, so we've got 1 to 11. Look at these colors. This palette is fantastical. Look at that. It is amazing. And then we've got number 12 to 25, which I adore. Very, very nice. Look at that. I absolutely like it a lot. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So let me show it to you together. And there we go. All the oranges and yellows is there. It's a lot of thread. A lot. It is a bunch. Now it's an excellent product. I absolutely adore it. Please tell me what you think in the comment box. I will answer you. Also hit the like button if you like this video. I will personally get back to you. And then while you look at that beautiful one, I want to ask, please, if you are watching and you are enjoying my videos, hit that subscribe button. By doing that, you help me out a lot, first of all. And you motivate me to make more of these videos for you. Yes. Alright, so let me see now. How did this one go? Now, I think I want to put it back into the fancy packet. So let's do it nicely. There you go. So you've been looking at that one. I can't wait to see what it looks like inside. Let me put it back nicely. There you go. There we are. The packet's a bit broken on the bottom, but that doesn't matter. You can just repack it in another one. Okay, so let's have a look at the next one. Once again, we got a nice reusable. Oh, this one's not broken. There's some stickers on here. I don't know what that is. Let's pull it off. Some stickers, probably factory markings. Let's see. Okay, so your reusable little plastic one. This one, it doesn't have a hole in. And then, now we know how to take this one apart because we saw the other. Oh, look at these colors. Oh my golly gosh. I just want the pattern. Okay. And then we are going to get that. And that we set aside. So let's start with the toolkit. Once again, you got a snipper, 5 needles, and a needle threader. Nice, right? Very, very pretty indeed. That aside, now the front page, it's a lot of beautiful flowers with a bee. It is 9 count and 177 stitches by 248, and it's a Mona Lisa. There you go. I'm gonna pack it away now. Just give me less of a pack away session later. Alright, so the pattern. Ooh, this is pretty, guys. Right, so it's the same like the other one. You get a A4 double side printed pattern, and this one has got 59 colors. Wow. Now that's got it's colorful, so it's very, very pretty. I'm not gonna fold this again in there. I am gonna put it in here. Okay, so we got the toolkit, we'll put that there. Let's have a look at this canvas. Alright. Beautiful, strong Ada. Remember, it's a 9 count, 4 threads. It is serged all the way around for our convenience, except for this. You can't fray that, you know? So it's strong. Company name, 100% Beautifull. Whatever they're saying, please. I don't have my phone here. Please, I can read 100%. And there is some instructions for you if you need it. This pattern is amazing. It is so easy. It is fantastically printed. It's 59 colors. Let me show you the whole thing. Look at that. Isn't that this just fabulous, right? And then from close up, look how clearly this print is. The print is nice, right? I think it's superb. There you go. So amazing product. I absolutely adore it. Let me know what you think. But we're not done. Let's have a look at the pretties. Oh, my Stitchy soul. Look at this. Oh, look at these cards. Oh, this is a first. Oh, wow. Okay, I haven't seen floss cards like this yet. But look at this. You guys are been with me for a while, so we haven't seen cards like this yet. Look at that. It's that. Look how pretty. How amazing is that? Wow, I absolutely love it. That is just fantastic. Okay, so here we go. So this is 1 to 32. Look at these colors. Just fabulous, right? They are superb. And then we've got 33 to 59. Look at that. It is very pretty, very bright, and just fantastical. Amazing, right? Let me put them together for you. And there we are. Ta-da-da-da. Amazing, right? I think it is fantastic. Fantastic, amazing product. Now while I pack away, I just want to thank VIP Cross Stitch. You guys rock. This is really beautiful. Thank you so much. I adore it. And then to you, my viewer, please remember VIP Cross Stitch is still running a sale. You can get 15% off your whole basket. Plus, if you spend over $39, you get a free blind box. But remember, it changed. You don't have to mention it, but you do have to add the blind box yourself. Alright, and that is that from me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always supporting me. I love you guys dearly. Till next time, Stitcha-Rella.